very tasty. Yummy. The pot is so little. Oh,
Chicken fillet.
what is like it tastes like a little bit sweet.
Yeah, the pasta is
Oh, wait.
Italian. Okay.
Is this for me? Okay, and I was wondering because I was Naghul na naman yung asawa ko. Yung cheese, eggs, bruja. Ayan, galing siya sa supermarket. Can you do it again? It's okay.
Dai. Kaya ta dai.
Yeah. I don't know if I get angry to you or I will laugh at stupid husband. Dong. Ayaw ginguda na pero may dong happiness ha. Kayat, you will go in the captain.
Kaya ta dai.
I wanna look at the motive of your it's nice.
To go for
Yeah. It's nice, huh?
Hey.
The nice book. Halika. Okay. It's also clean. You put in a proper bag. Because it's Saturday. Normally my husband is going to cook today. Tomorrow, he changed his mind tomorrow because we are looking Netflix. So I wanna see what is yours. I wanna look. Hello, it's a big portion mine. I thought it was a small one.
4 kinds of meat.
Hello, what a giant! Jesus. And this is also a brooches. Wow. Mukbang again? Mukbang.
Bang.
Bang. Wow. Mukbang kami guys. Fresh. With large burger. Oh, this is new. I love it. So actually, I'm only asking this one, and then this one. But look now.
Difficult, the foot is wet.
Huh?
It's difficult, the foot is wet, huh?
Oh, is finished, han? Thank you well, darling Cha. Thank you well, mahal ko. Thank you well, Dodong. Dodong. The Inday saying, salamat ka.